Hi guys, this is Vince Ong, your Megaworld agent, and for this video, I'm going to tour you around our latest showroom here in Uptown Bonifacio. So this is called Megaworld Uptown Experience Gallery, and it's located inside Uptown Mall BGC along 11th Drive. So tara, check natin. So welcome to Uptown Experience Gallery. So meron din tayo isang entrance pa on this part, which would be from Uptown Mall. So if galing kayong Uptown Mall and you have a time or available free time to visit our showroom, this is located near H&M and Dakey Donut. So this is our grand lobby and this is our reception. So for Time Magazine, best company for Asia Pacific si Megaworld for 2026. So we are open 24/7. So if you have your preferred day and time, you can just message my contact details down below so I can personally assist you. So check na natin tong part na to. This is our negotiation area and this is one of our pre-selling project in BGC. It's called Uptown Modern and it's Megaworld's tallest residential building in Uptown Bonifacio. It's going to be rising 54-story high and meron din siyang mga retail spaces sa baba. So Uptown Modern also features 10 high-speed elevators and 100% backup power. So meaning, wala tayong power interruption on all units and common areas. And just to add, this is also the first residential project of Megaworld that's going to be LEED certified. So meaning, our energy and water bill would be 20 to 50% less. So punta muna tayo dito to show to you the negotiation area. So this is like the lobby and that's why this is called Uptown Experience Gallery para mapakita ni Megaworld to show you or give you a glimpse of how the lobby of Uptown Modern would look like. So ganito rin yung theme niya. It's playing on dark wood shade and it's very elegant with the lights. So we have multiple negotiation areas and sa part na to, this is going to be our pantry. And this is our toilet for the guests and visitors. On this part, you will be seeing the Philippine map wherein nakalagay dito yung townships ni Megaworld. And just to update you, we already have 37 townships across the Philippines to celebrate also the 37th anniversary of Megaworld last June 2026. And some notable townships of Megaworld are McKinley Hill, McKinley West in Fort Bonifacio. We also have Twin Lakes sa Tagaytay naman. We also have Maple Grove in Cavite. And last but not least, we also have Uptown Bonifacio. So this is the township where I'm currently in right now. So this is 15.4 hectares master plan developed by Megaworld Corporation. And sa baba na to, ito yung nakikita natin. This is the BGC or Bonifacio Global City area. So check natin tong part na to. This is like the gallery. So what we are seeing here are the amenities of Uptown Modern. So magkakaroon tayo ng fitness gym na may yoga room. Meron tayong entertainment suite which is one of our newest amenity. Meron tayong Skyline Lounges located on the 14th, 27th, 39 and a pool deck. Of course, hindi siya mawawala. And that's also a lap pool. And ito yung mga renders ng facade ng Uptown Modern. Right now, I'll be showing you the model units of Uptown Modern. So currently, meron kaming dalawa, which is the studio, 40 square meter, and a one bedroom with extra room that is 57 square meter. So check muna natin yung studio unit on this part. So dito, bago tayo pumasok, makikita nyo yung deliverables ng tiles and walls natin. So, studio, 40 square meter. We also have studio with balcony. Nasa around 45 square meters naman. So upon entering, you would be having your washer-dryer on this part. So upon turnover, kasama na to sa deliverables. Okay? On this part, you would be having the complete sanitary fittings on your toilet and bath. So everything is by Vilroy and Bock. And yung mga brands na gagamitin natin for Uptown Modern are actually top-of-the-line European brands. We also have smart light switches on the lights and yung door natin, on the main door, would be digital lock set. Sa kitchen naman natin, it's going to be complete What you see in this one is what you'll be getting upon turnover. So kasama na yung built-in microwave oven, 2-zone cooktop, range hood, and your built-in refrigerator. So maganda dito, when we say built-in, nakatago na siya. And our brands for the kitchen appliances are all from Goren Hay, which is a European brand. We also have quartz countertop, soft closed kitchen cabinets, top and bottom, backsplash tiles, kasama na rin to, including your sink with retractable faucet. And for the studio, the idea for this one is it's an open concept. So you can freely design the space however you want. But for this model unit that we have, naglagay sila dito ng 2-seater dining area. And then this is your living area. So it's like a shared space. Andito yung television sa harap. And upon turnover, you would be getting one split type inverter aircon from Daikin, which is a Japanese brand. Yan. And on this part, this would be your sleeping area, wherein what the interior designer did here was to enclose it. So para magkaroon lang ng privacy and separation from the common space on the bedroom area. Yan. We also have floor-to-ceiling window glass upon turnover, and at the same time, meron tayong modular closet upon turnover. So maganda dito, it's already sliding, and meron na rin siyang mga mirror panels. So check natin yung one bedroom with maid's room. So yung studio natin actually feels like a hotel room kasi open lang siya. Ito naman, on the other hand, this is more functional. Mas functional layout niya because this is a one bedroom but with an extra room. So pagpasok mo dito, meron kang foyer on this part. And then on this part behind me is actually the extra room or maid's room. So dito nakalagay yung washer dryer niya, and this has its own toilet and bath, complete with lavatory and mirrors. Best part of this one bedroom layout, open kitchen concept tayo. So if you have guests, visitors, family in your unit, you can easily entertain them while you're doing or preparing the dishes. So kasama rin dito yung built-in fridge natin from Goren Hay. We also have microwave oven, 2-zone cooktop, range hood. Everything that you are seeing on the kitchen is what you'll be getting upon turnover. Then sa part na to, you can fit 4-seater dining area, and this would be your living space. Meron din tayong balcony access for this one-bedroom layout. And for this unit, meron tayong dalawang split-type inverter aircon. One in the living and one on the bedroom area. Yan. So for this one, you can put a full double bed, and basically, cabinet is already included and the aircon. And if mapapansin nyo, flooring natin for this one is already porcelain plank. So to separate the common area from the bedroom area, Megaworld changed the tiles on the flooring of the bedroom. Doon naman sa common area natin, it's homogeneous flooring. And this would be the toilet and bath, wherein you will be having 2 access. One from the bedroom and one on the living and dining area. And that's it for our showroom tour here at Uptown Mall. So this is our newest one, which is called Megaworld Uptown Experience Gallery, to showcase our newest pre-selling project here in Uptown Bonifacio. So it's called Uptown Modern, that's going to be ready by 2031. And currently we're offering no spot down payment, payable up to 6 years of no interest. So if you want to schedule your viewing for you to see the actual model units of Uptown Modern, I will be leaving my contact details down below. So what you see on the screen, you can message me anytime and anywhere. So, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.